Sup Kisho hoarders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the mistake of Kisho hoarders. The Kisho hoarders at this time doing a very big mistake, my friends. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you are completely in the loss, my friends. So be safe from loss and keep watch this video if you want to save yourself from loss. Keep watch. My friends, first of all, we look the latest price update of the Kisho. The price changes and the price at this time of the Kisho is $0 USD. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Kisho, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day price changes is negative. The price change occurs in the Kisho is going negative. Hour by hour, day by day, and the last 1 week price change is positive. The previous change is good, but now the currently price falls down. So the people at this time, due to this fast, they understand that the Kisho price will continuously fast down and they have no idea to take a pump. That is why the people decide to sell, and that is the big mistake, my friends, that when the people see the small falls, when the people see the latest falls, so they decide to sell, my friends. This is your big mistake. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Let's see the price chart. My friends, the last 3 days price is positive, but in the last 2 days the price falls down of the Kisho. You can see here, and now and this time the people decide to sell. So I recommend for everyone that please, my friends, please don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. Hold it and buy more and more. The Kisho is the fastest coin in the market, and I hope that they will make you millionaire if you hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.